Here's the kind of drop-down menu you can make in AppLab on code.org. But if you look on code.org's webpage, they're actually using a different kind of drop-down, like this. So this little icon is the hamburger menu, and I'd like to show you how to make one now. It'll look like this. Start on your dashboard and click Create AppLab to start an empty project. Then in design mode, drag an image over, resize to the way you want it, and then over here we're going to choose the icon of that hamburger menu, and they have several, but I'm just going to use this guy. Let's call this hamburger menu. Alright, and let's set that to hidden to start. Next, let's just grab a button to hold all of our links, and you can make it nice and big. So this is going to be the menu that pops down. The color doesn't matter. I think they look better when they're a little bit transparent. And let's take all the text off. And let's just call it menu underscore BG, so we'll know it's the background. Alright, so when this menu's down, there needs to be a way to get out of it. So we also need to put an X right up here. Actually, you could put it anywhere you want it to. I'll put it right there. You're just going to put X on the ID and X on the label, and then resize it the size you want. Maybe even give it a border. I'm going to set the alignment to center. You can even round the edges if you want to. It doesn't look exactly centered, so I'm going to make it just a bit bigger. There we go. Alright. I'm going to set that one to hidden too. Actually, I'm going to go back and set this little hamburger menu that's in the back. I don't want it hidden, but I do want this thing to start hidden. So that menu, I'm going to set that to hidden. I'm going to set this X to hidden. And now I just need my links. Those are just going to be labels. So I'll do the first one and then I'll just speed it up. I'm going to call this link 1. And right here I'll put link 1. Make it as wide as you want to and as tall as you want to. And then change the font size. That'll do. I'm going to do 4 of these, so I'm just going to come up here and duplicate 3 times. And then I'll speed up just the changing of the labels and the links. I think I'm also going to add a border around this and maybe give it a little rounded edge. Okay, so now into the code. Oh, we should set all these links to hidden as well. So when we run it, we only see this thing. Now let's code it and make it work. So first we want to say, whenever this thing, which is called, what did I call it? I think it's called hamburger menu. Let's just check. Whenever the hamburger menu is clicked, we're going to hide it, and then we're going to make everything else show up. So we're going to get one hide. We're going to hide the hamburger menu, and we're going to get a bunch of these show elements. And I'll just copy and paste. Let's see. 1 for the X, 1 for the background, and 1 for each link, so that's 4. Alright, now I just want to make all these things show up. Link 1, link 2, link 3, link 4. Oops. We want that menu background to show up. We want the X to show up. Wonder why I had an extra one. I guess I just got excited. Let's try that. Okay, when I click this, everything pops up. Alright, now I just need to go in the other direction to go backwards whenever I click the X. So let's grab all this again, paste it, and this time let's say whenever the X is clicked, we want to hide a bunch of stuff and just show one thing. So let's get rid of all those. Let's see, how many shows did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to need 6 hides. Copy and paste, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and then we're just going to do it backwards. So we're going to show the hamburger menu. We're going to hide everything else. Let's try that. Then now you press it and it pops up, and you can press the X and it will disappear. Now none of these other links work because I didn't code them, but you could code them. And that's how you do it.